Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today I want to talk about how we can create some type of staircases in SketchUp. So I'm gonna start with rectangle item. I'm gonna draw some rectangle with some different dimensions, like for example 36 to 156, something like that. And I'm gonna click on it and create some type of component, and I want to rename it to the staircase, like this. Now I'm gonna press create item. So I need some type of path for my copy, so I'm gonna use tape measure or line option. I'm gonna draw some line on blue axis with 18 centimeter height, and now I'm gonna click on the move option, press Ctrl on my keyboard and take some copies of these faces in this height and press, for example, 6x, like that, and delete this line. So now we have lots of faces, actually one component and some copy of it. So I'm gonna press one of them and edit component. So I'm gonna use push or pull option and there are some type of things like that, for example, not with a fixed height, something like this, 10 centimeter. Alright, now you can try different type of design and things for this staircase. For example, I'm gonna click some line in here and here and continue this process to the end of the project, like that. Now I'm gonna create some type of another rectangle in here with some dimension about 3 and 3, like this. So now I'm gonna click on this path and hold shift and unselect this item. So I'm gonna press follow me option and click that. Alright, as you can see, we create some type of profile for holding this staircases in the real world. And I'm gonna take some copy in this side, actually a little bit to the right, and this one a little bit to the left. Right, and another copy of this to the midpoint, like this, and I move it to the midpoint for 1.5 centimeter. As you can see, we create this type of staircases very simple and easy. You can use it by copying some type of groups, but I usually use component because sometimes you need to change your models very quickly. For this reason, components is better for you and you can change all of the edits on them. So for the last thing we have in here, I can edit some type of another edges for these staircases just with one line and take some copy of it, for example 1 centimeter, and extrude it a little bit forward for 1 centimeter, for example, and I think it's good now. Alright, as you can see, this is our model. So I'm going to select it and make some type of group for it. I check it to the center. Now I want isometric view and I press look around and I set 222 for the eye height, and if I render some interactive with V-Ray, as you can see, we have this type of staircase in here. So I open paint bucket and I come to the styles and in model edit, I want to reduce profile to the 1 and I want to change the display shaded mode. I don't want any type of sky. I want to use some gray background or white background. It depends on you. For example, 200 for all of these RGB codes is good, and press OK. In this place I can turn off model access to see my job much professional than the past. So I think everything is good, and I want to save it, so I can save it everywhere I want. For example, type Stair case like this and press save. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe, don't forget it, and good.